COPPA FTC, Papa, Texas. Yeah. We don't know what's going to happen. If you do not know what's going on YouTube with COPPA, C-O-P-P-A, and the FTC, you might want to Google it or YouTube it and find out a little bit about it. I've had to go back. I've spent a lot of time the last week and a half, and it's hard. It takes a lot of time. I've taken down over 200 more of my videos. If you have not checked the box yet of the new stuff on YouTube, you have to. Is your channel for people above 13 years of age? Or are they below 13 years of age? Don't get it wrong. They'll come after you. What I did, for those still here, if you need a little bit of help, I don't even know if you have to have videos or not to click on that. Well, I guess you have to have a video at least. I don't know. I don't know those answers. What I did, the easiest way was, I said blanket my whole channel not made for under 13 years of age. Then I had to painfully go back to all the videos I could find that have the possibility and change those over to, yes, anyone under 13 can watch these or whatever. You know, drawing a picture, doing some type of reviews. My grandkids, I guess if they're with me in the garden and they're under 13, those are kids, then it's made for kids. I haven't figured this out. Oh, another thing though, at the end, I'll leave a link to my unfiltered, Papa Texas unfiltered channel in case this one gets taken down. Or if you just want to see some stuff I do over there on that channel, you're welcome to. I'm hardly ever over there checking up on it, but it's there. Alright, Texas Dutch oven cooking. We need to get that one rolling again, that channel. We haven't been paying attention to it. Moderators on that is myself, Billy, and Rhonda from Strong's Adventures. That's what I have going on for you. Leave me a comment down below about what you think or what you're doing with your channel versus what's going on with YouTube. Especially if you're not sure what to do with your content and stuff. Maybe someone else will ask questions down below. Maybe someone else or myself will answer them or will look into it. You might have a great question. It's Papa Texas. You'll have a fantastic rest of the weekend. It's Papa Texas, and a bird. See ya.